Firm. Welcome back again to our channel. Welcome to another hair tutorial, and in today's video we'll be braiding my hair. And without wasting so much time, I'll just take us through the products we'll be using, what I'll be using in making my hair, and then we'll dive right into the video. Thank you so much for stopping by. Thank you so much for always clicking in, and thank you so much for your support, guys. So for today's tutorial, I'll be making use of my regular products, the edge control, my hair polish, my styling comb, the brush, and for the hair extension I'll be making use of lush hair. Yes, I'll be making use of lush hair, and I'll be using these two beautiful colors. That's of lush hair, and these two beautiful colors, the one with gold at the tip and the one with wine at the tip, and I'll be mixing it just the same way it is right here in the picture. So guys, I will just be cutting my hair, and I'm going to show us the method which I'll be using to achieve this knotless braid. Thank you so much, guys, and let's dive right into the video. Hey guys, welcome and welcome back again. So guys, I have successfully braided this part of my hair, and I left just this little section at the front just to show us how I achieved this braid. I just didn't want to bore us with a very long video. That was why I had to finish up with this first and then leave just this little section at the front. So guys, I don't have any product on my hair, and I just didn't even apply hair cream just to avoid itchiness this hot weather. Hence the dull look. Like I didn't apply anything, not even on the extension, just few of it. So guys, enjoy the rest of the video while I show you how the method by which I achieved this braid. Alright guys, this is how the size of my extension is going to be. I sectioned them into 4 equal parts. So in the course of the video, you're gonna know why I sectioned it like this. Let's just keep watching. To know, I'll be using my crochet pin, and it's a crochet method. So for easy passage of the extension through my hair, I'm just gonna twist the middle part like this. I'm just gonna twist it like so that when I pass in my crochet, when I pass it on my crochet pin, it will easily pass through my natural hair. So I'll just do that right now, and I hope you understand why I did that on my hair. So this is the particular one I'll be making, and I'm going to go from side to side and up and down. So I'll be going from side to side first. know. Guys, so I'm done now, and this is what it looks like. Yeah, let me stand up a bit. This is the length. This is the length. At least I'm able to cover my edges. Oh my goodness. Oh, I'm stuck with half parts just because of my edges that have refused to grow. So guys, what do you think about the mixture of color? I don't know, what do you think? Do you like it? Is it nice, like the gold and the wine? Is it nice? And so guys, I'm just gonna put it inside the water that I boiled. So thank you so much guys for watching. If you have watched up until this moment, you are amazing. Thank you so much. Thank you guys. Yes guys, I just want to use this opportunity to say thank you. Now our channel is monetized, and I'm going to make a special video to show appreciation to all who supported me, everyone out there that made first call design and craft to get to this level. I'm gonna make a special video, but let me just do this because as of today I'm making this video. We got monetized last week, and this is the following week, so I've not still made the video because I was kind of down. But let's not make this video too long. I just want to say thank you. So guys, let me just show you how I put it inside how I put the extension inside the hot water, and then we are done. Hope I tried guys, hope I tried. So guys, I'm just gonna use my hair polish since I didn't have any product here before. I'm just gonna use my hair polish. And then I'm gonna use this clip on my hair. I'm gonna use this clip just to beautify it a bit. So thank you so much guys for watching. Once the hair dry up, I'm just going to be inserting the pictorial look of the end result after adding this and everything. So thank you so much guys, and I'll see you in my next one. Ciao ciao.